Hello, my name is Play and I'm the owner of 𝐒𝐋𝐀𝐾𝐿. Before I get into this video, I'd like to take a moment to give my condolences to all those who have lost loved ones due to the coronavirus. And I know we all have been affected in one way or another, and that's why it's crucial for us to continue to support one another during this time and stay safe. Now, to help you all stay safe and cute, I've created Glam Mask. And Glam masks are now available at playslaysbeauty.com, and they're also available in kit sizes as well. This right here is the unicorn print. Now, I created this video to give you guys a better look at the Glam mask and to give you all tips on how you can wear them. Now, Glam masks are 100% washable, and they can, of course, be worn as is. But for added protection, on the inside, there's a pocket here. And in this pocket, you can add a filter. Now, you can use a disposable mask as a filter. I'm going to show you all how to enter it. You just bend it like so. Put it through one end and pull it through the other. And there you go. Now it acts as a filter for your mask. Now,